Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see demo for food wastage reduction PHP web application. So first open the XAMPP control panel, then start the Apache and MySQL. Next click on the MySQL admin. Left side you can able to see the backend database on these tables. Then go to the user login. Here you can see the user registration data. Next go to the Visual Studio. First explore the food folder, then go to the document. This is the full documentation of the project. Then you can see the addressing files and source codes. Next go to the readme text file. Here you can see the login detail and then you can see the web application URL link. Then copy the URL, paste to the browser. Now we can see the food wastage reduction web application. It's have two roles, user login and user register. We have to sign up. Go to the user register, enter the register detail, enter one name, email ID, then give the password, enter your mobile number and address. Then click on the register. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, then length of 8 digits. Now register successfully. If you already registered, you can use your email ID and password. Then log in into the user homepage. Now log in successfully. Now we can see the user homepage. User will be manage the various modules. User can donate the foods and then user will be manage the donated area and food needed people will be searched to receive the foods. First go to the city. Here user will be manage the food donated area. So you will be see the all cities and you will be add the new city on this page. So enter the city name and click on the create city. Next go to the place. Here we will add the food donate area. So select the place, then enter the area name. Then click on the create place. Now create successfully. Then go to the spot. Here you will be add the area spot. So select the area, then enter the spot name. Then click on the create. Now create successfully. Next go to the donate food. Here you will be donate the food items. So enter the food item name, then give the description. Next enter the name and quantity, then enter the address. Then set the donated food area. So select the city, then select the area, then select the spot. After you click on the submit. Next go to the update food. Here you will be see the donated food details. So see the informations and then update the location. Go to the Google map. Here you will be see the red bubble. Then drag and drop to the red bubble in donated area. Then click on the update geo. Now update successfully. Next go to the image. Here you will upload the donated food image. Then click on the submit. Next go to the update. Here you will update the food donation details. Next go to the search food. Food needed people will be. Here you will search the food items. Search the area. Then you will find the foods. Then see the food items names. Then go to the show map. Here you can see the donated area. Then go to the more information. Here you can see the food items details. After go to the add card. Then you can see your card. Here you can place the order on this page. So click on the place order. Then order will be placed successfully. Then you can see your orders. Then give your feedback. Enter your name and write your feedback. Then go to the feedback. Here you can see your donated food feedback on this page. Next, my profile is used to update your contact detail. That's the whole food wastage reduction PHP web application.